How to block Team Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block Team Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Snapchat. After you do that, swipe to your friends section and there you should find Team Snapchat. Now, to block Team Snapchat directly is not really possible because they are not an entity, they are not actually a person. So what we'll do is we'll just open up Team Snapchat first. And after you're here, you can add Team Snapchat as well. If you add them, you can just unadd them as well. So it's that simple. So what you'll need to do actually is tap on the three dots that is on the top right. Tap on it, and there you will see an option that says hide this content. So simply select hide this content and you will see this option that says content from this creator will no longer be suggested to you. Tap on yes. After doing that, your Team Snapchat will now stop sending you contents, and it's basically that simple. So as you can see now, you can delete in this as well if you don't want it in your if you don't want it in your what do we say this if you don't want it in your friends section. So yeah, that's basically it, and that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.